You're watching Theme Park Swimmers and something very, very exciting because tonight we are staying inside the Thorpe Park Shark Hotel and I can't wait to do this. This is my first time staying on site, even though I'm local. I've just dropped off my luggage on park. I'm going to go have some rides and I'm going to check in from 3 o'clock where I'll be able to catch up with this video, take you guys along with me. Let's do this. First overnighter. I'm so excited. Thorpe Shark is actually located inside of that beautiful shark there. You follow the sign until you hit this little pathway here, where you follow it down and it's indicated for reception. Obviously this is the first time I stayed inside the shark here at Thorpe Park. It's something I've never thought about doing and it's insane to think that I'm actually staying here tonight, the first time. I can't wait to get in there, show you my view, show you my room itself. I still can't believe I'm doing this. It's so surreal. I've waited a long time to do this. I'm really excited. This building here on the left hand side is where you'll find reception. It's obviously indicated welcome. You've got the Thorpe Shark signs there and you've got reception. I do recognise that surfboard there, actually, from way back in the day, back in the 90s. Really, really cool. Love that. Okay, focus, I can do this. So as I said earlier, I am staying on site tonight inside the Thorpe Shark. What I didn't tell you is that I have got a swarm themed room, which basically means my room is over towards that beauty. I've got my room key right here and I'm going to take you guys with me for a room tour. You have to excuse the bit, I have been in here for a little bit, get myself acquainted. So I'm in 175, which is themed to the swarm. As you can see, I've done taken shelter. Take my room key, scan it on there, open the door, and the first thing you are greeted with is this impressive picture right here of the swarm. I love it so much. And if I can flick these lights behind me, that's the mood lighting for tonight. The red lights, I love it so much. It's so cool. You've got Swarmy and Infinity there on my bed. They are mine, they did not come in the room. Telly, nice size TV. You've got a set bunk beds again. My favourite hat does not come in the room, that is mine. Bottom bunk here, that I think Jake's claimed that one. I thought it was cool. So top hand bottom bunk. It's got the bathroom, there's me, hello. You have to excuse myself, I've been in here a little while. All your things, all your various reflect coming in, and of course the view looking out towards the swarm. And on the other side you have taken shelter and no entry. Of course I'll go that way around. All stuff to the fire. Do lots of theming right here. All the various bits. They're my trainers down there. You've got an espresso machine. I don't know how to work that out, so I'm not going to bother about that. You get a bottle of water included in the room. There's me, hello. As you can see, I changed my t-shirt over to my swarm t-shirt. I have got a real good thing. I do like both of these biscuits, so I will be eating quite a few of those. Decoffee stuff, these are mine. I've won those today. You see all my stuff on charge. Those bits and pieces. And of course, you have got Thorpe Park Dobble. I think it's taken from the room. I'm going to double check and I'll just confirm. I'm really excited. Obviously, you got a bathroom with a, well, rainfall shower. It's very, very cool. That's really, really cool, actually. And obviously, when I checked in and dropped my stuff off this morning, I got given these luggage tags. They actually put down what type of luggage it is. So in this case, I had a holder and a rucksack. So dropped off. They put your last name, your check-in or check-out day. And of course, there's perks staying in a coaster room, including, of course, you get a coaster staff track for the following day. That's a big advantage for me. I've now got that for 5 of the coasters tomorrow. Stealth's currently down, so that's something interesting because obviously Stealth's currently down, so I don't know if I'm able to utilise that on the ride or not. It's one of those things. One thing I do love in here is all the theming. It is incredible. Like, when I first opened the door this afternoon, I opted to not share reaction on camera because like I was emotional and it hit me the fact I was doing this tonight. The bed's really comfortable. I'm on a double bed tonight and I thought I'm going for the double. I think Jake's going to single. But yeah, I'll see you guys later on the video when I'm going in vibes having my dinners this evening. See you guys in vibes after food wasn't great, so I'm not too sure how to buy back. out. Hey, very good morning and welcome back to this video. Well, last night the sleep was actually really good. I had a decent night's sleep. I slept through. I did actually have to turn the heat up a little bit. I was a little bit chilly overnight, so not too bad. So a little bit warm, a little bit comfortable. Bed was pretty comfortable. I slept, which is amazing. I don't these light switches here above the head, and obviously ambient lighting and my personal preference, especially like first thing in the morning. It's nice because you don't want to be waking up, especially if there's more than one of you in here. You don't want to wake up everyone up. So you have got these little lights as well. You can utilise if you need to go to the toilet or whatever. But no, really good sleep last night. Definitely one of the best nights I've had for a while. I have got breakfast this morning in Vibes. It's an unlimited breakfast. From what I know, it's buffet breakfast. I'm also going to drop off my holdall and my backpack like I did yesterday when I got to the park at reception, just to save myself having to come back to the room after breakfast. Then I can just go and have my down park. I'm looking forward to getting back on parks today, but no, out of 5, definitely rooms 5 out of 5 territory for me. Really comfortable. Love the theming, as obviously does help with the it's warm. But yeah, would recommend these beds definitely. I'm not gonna work out where they get these beds from. So we're now in Vibes having some breakfast. I'll show you what's on offer and get myself some treats. I'm a little bit hungry this morning actually. And of course, rice and testing. Down hot.
Muffins my favourites.
So in Vibes, what can I say? It's actually really good to be honest. Loved it, as I always do, and I'm quite a picky eater as well, so I like the fact they cater to everyone's needs and personalities and preferences. Really good. Overall, in terms of my stay, I've really enjoyed being able to stay on park this time, and it's definitely something I will do again at some point, possibly next year, who knows, different room. I am looking at doing the Hyperion climb in 2026, so watch this space. If you haven't done the video, get from subscribe to channels ready. Drop a comment down below for any questions you have regarding this, especially since you guys do know I have ASD. And you want to know anything how I found it being autistic and staying all night. Until then, keep riding, keep streaming. I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys.